TigerTec is a Sino-US joint venture and professional manufacturer, founded in the year 2010. We focus on the high-quality CNC machines and aim at middle and high-end overseas markets. With almost 10 years experience, we have thousands of happy customers from the world and earn very good reputation in the overseas market. Our products range from woodworking CNC routers, sign making CNC routers, metal processing CNC, pattern mold machining center, fiber laser cutting and CNC plasma for metal cutting to intelligent stone working center, we do customized machines for OEM customers and have already worked with top brands from United States, Italy, Korea, Germany, Russia and Taiwan for many years. TigerTec factory located in Jinan City, China, with more than 10,000 square meters workshop. We have a full production line indoor. Welding, painting, machining and machine installation. We have high quality VMC and machining center in-house to ensure the quality of parts. TigerTec use hammer laser system for geometric alignment during the machine installation. With our team effort, we provide 3 years warranty for customers from all over the world. We work closely with top brand suppliers Siemens, HSD, Yaskawa, Igus, THK, Hiwin, Schneider, Phoenix, WMH, Baker and others to ensure the lifetime and performance of the machine. TigerTec has full understanding of quality, service and customer value. We provide global installation training in-house and CNC solutions for our customers. TigerTec strategy is product with world-class quality and ethical, honest, open relation with customers, suppliers and workers. We would always uphold principle of honesty molds the quality. Quality wins the market. To create more benefits for our customer, to extend great thanks to the support from our agent and clients. Popular model. Mini series with standard working area 2 by 3 feet, compact version of a full-scale CNC system that designed for the advertising industry, like advertising signage, acrylic alphabet, decorative crafts, sports equipment such as surfboard and very advanced hobby applications. AD series updated version ideal for modern workshops with flexibility in mind and all manner of industry needing CNC speed and accuracy. AD series is our popular model in the market. We have patent design. The strong design earn good feedback from the market. ATC series a great fit for value buyers who want high performance. ATC machine can help you to improve the production and reduce the labor cost. We offer different kind of tool magazine to meet different demand. Foundry pattern machine, new arrival in 2019, cooperated with OEM customer by industrial standard 4.0 with a solid table and automatic tool change widely applied for prototypes, molds and production parts. We offer 3-axis and 5-axis option for different applications. CNC nesting process center is the professional production line for cabinet industry. High efficiency can meet the production demand. With this machine, the customers can work around 100 pieces sheet in a shift. We have different size to work on: 4 by 8 feet, 5 by 10 feet, 6 by 12 feet. You can find the one to meet your product easily. TigerTec work on the metal working machine also. We start to work on the fiber laser machine since 2020. With the full understanding of the quality, we can meet the market demand. CNC plasma cutter equipped with a standalone controller that can process files from different CAD/CAM software and an automatic torch position control to ensure good cutting even on non-flat surface for metal industry. TigerTec can offer you the customized machines, rotary axis, oscillating knife, CCD vision system, double spindles and double Z axis to satisfy different applications. TigerTec teams work hard to provide the high quality machines and best service. TigerTec are open to work closely with all our staffs, customers and suppliers. Welcome to TigerTec.
La marca TigerTec desde hace ya más de 10 años y la verdad altamente recomendable la empresa.
And the owner of TigerTec, Miss Dinah, because he always give us service and support. I have full confidence.
Hi, I'm David Slowinski, the TigerTec distributor for TigerTec CNC routers in United States and Canada. I've worked with
in the CNC industry. In this occasion, we are wishing very good, bright future for TigerTec.
Что те клиенты, которым было инсталлировано оборудование ЧПУ компании TigerTec, остаются довольны качеством, и мы остаемся.
是 Max 来自台湾的昌泰电有限公司，目前与 TigerTec 主要的合作市场是英国。从2017年
호원씨입니다. 오랜 시간 동안 저희 호원이 겪은 타이거테크의 모습은 항상 좋은 퀄리티의 제품, 친절한 응대.
Has always succeed to meet every single standards and expectation of our clients in terms of.
Ora come signora Diana e la sua azienda TigerTec. Sono pienamente soddisfatto dei loro prodotti, servizi.
From Inducta Technologies. We are based in Sweden, which saves all over Scandinavia. Our customers believe in us because of our reliable quality.